Panduit URAPROTECT is the ultimate solution for protecting undersea cables in harsh marine environments. Advanced subsea cable and pipe protection systems protect the infrastructure that enables global connectivity and economic growth. Fiber optic cables are essential for high-speed internet and telecommunication services. As urban areas expand, the demand for reliable and fast internet connectivity increases. This means protection of undersea fiber optic cables is critical. Undersea power transmission cables connect islands and deliver electricity across bodies of water. Urbanization increases energy demands, and undersea cables help distribute power efficiently. Laying cables on ocean floors involves hazards like rocky terrain, abrasion, and impacts from ships or marine animals. And installation costs are high due to the need for specialized vessels, equipment, and skilled personnel. That's why Panduit designed URAPROTECT, a marine-class polyurethane amalgamation to protect subsea cables in the most challenging environments. Panduit's rigorous impact tests prove that URAPROTECT can withstand heavy impacts, ensuring cable safety. URAPROTECT is easy to install. Its split tubular half-shells interlock securely around the cable, providing robust protection quickly and efficiently. URAPROTECT is ideal for use in offshore wind farms, subsea pipelines, and power plant facilities. Panduit URAPROTECT is your reliable partner for underwater cable protection. For more information, visit panduit.com.